But if you look at your bank account and it's different than the 6419, what would you do?
Check online.
We would like to look at, is my advanced child tax credit letter 6419 correct? And the reason why we're doing this video today, Debbie, is that we've actually ran into our first time that we had somebody that got the 6419 letter that shows your advanced child tax credit payments, and they went online to their taxpayer account and the numbers didn't agree.
Right.
They have a payment and they looked at their bank account. The bank account had a different payment. And then, so our advice was to go to the taxpayer account to find out what the real numbers were.
Right.
So I guess if I'm that practitioner, Debbie, and I have this question, if I've got my bank account to look at and I've got this letter to look at, and then I go online and there's a different number of those three choices and I'm trying to do my tax return, which one would I rely on?
At this point, we're relying on what's online under your taxpayer account.
Yes, and I think that's very important because, for example, some people opt in, opt out.
Right.
And in this case, the thing I've kind of looked at, what it is, it's shy one payment. So maybe, and I'm gonna make an assumption here. I'm a practitioner, but I'm gonna make an assumption that this December payment wasn't on there. So maybe the letter went out before. But no matter how we got here, I think this is very important. I think it should be shared with everybody, is the fact that the 6419 in general is correct. But if you look at your bank account and it's different than the 6419, what would you do?
Check online. You're going to need to set up that taxpayer account through the IRS website. We have videos on how to do that down below. So go ahead and get that done, log in, and it will list all of your payments there as well. And then you can confirm what is actually correct.
Yeah, and as we did, also you remind me, as we did in those videos, if you don't have your 6419 letter, which they all should be out by...
Basically now, I believe.
Yep.
Like they've all been sent out. Maybe you didn't get yours. Maybe your address has changed along the way. Go ahead and set up that taxpayer account because you can get your information there.
Yeah, if you've lost the letter, don't know what we're talking, just if you're trying to do your return, I think the bottom line here is if we think our letter is not correct, if we know our bank may or may not be correct, it's called go out and set up that taxpayer account. The actual information you rely on to file your return is there. Also, it's just a place to go. So I think this is a good wrap. We just wanted to get it out to you so you can get your return done. I hope this helps. Please subscribe, and we want to see you in other videos. And Debbie?
Have a great day.
Yes. See you in the next video.